Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best sliding window locks is probably one of the most important security upgrades you can make to your home, offering peace of mind and significantly enhancing protection against potential intruders. This video will explore the top-rated sliding window locks on the market, examining their features, ease of installation, security effectiveness, and overall value, helping you choose the perfect lock to safeguard your home and loved ones. Number 5. Burglabar Sliding Door Locks. It instantly adds security to your patio doors and windows. This unique lock keeps your home safe and is perfect for childproofing. It's easy to install, no tools are needed. Its clear design blends seamlessly into your home's aesthetic. It easily adjusts to fit various door sizes. This versatile lock provides security for sliding doors and windows. These durable locks have strong adhesive, adhering to glass for maximum strength and security. They provide additional safety and peace of mind. Backed by 20 years of experience from Rishan Enterprises, the creators of Adalock. Protect your home with confidence. Get the Burglabar sliding door locks today and experience the ultimate in home security and peace of mind. It's the perfect solution for added safety and childproofing. What we like. It's simple to install without any tools and blends in seamlessly. It's perfect for childproofing your home, providing an extra layer of safety for your little ones. If you're looking for a versatile solution to secure your sliding doors and windows while keeping a clean look, this is the one for you. What people say. They are nice because they are almost invisible, not like the track bar, and so easy to install. Easy to apply, very sturdy, stick to the glass and work perfectly. These are so simple yet effective. They are awesome if you have little kids in the house that you don't want getting outside on their own. Number 4. Primeline U9819 Window Lock. Introducing the Primeline U9819 Aluminum Sliding Window Security Lock, your solution for enhanced home security. It's easy to install and provides peace of mind. This lock secures your metal sliding windows whether they're fully closed or slightly open for ventilation. It's perfect for added protection. No tools are needed for installation, simply attach it to your window. It's quick and convenient. It's made from durable aluminum with a natural finish. This lock is built to last and provide long-term security. It fits rails up to 1/8 inch wide. Please check the dimensions in the included diagram to ensure it's a perfect fit for your windows. This is a 4-pack, providing comprehensive security for multiple windows. Get the protection you need for your home. What we like. This lock securely holds your windows in place, whether fully closed or slightly open for ventilation. Installation is a breeze, no tools needed. If you need a simple yet effective way to secure your metal sliding windows, this is a great choice. What people say. They are very sturdy, very easy to install. It took literally 30 seconds to install each one, and just as easy to remove if need be. Secures tightly to the bottom. Easy to reach over table in the way of window and tighten or loosen. Can put along the side anywhere, if you want to crack the window a bit. Worked on both types. Easy to install, installation is straightforward and requires no tools. You just tighten the screw by hand to secure the lock in place. Sturdy and secure, once in place, these locks hold firmly and prevent the window from being opened. Adjustable fit, the lock fits most standard sliding windows, whether aluminum or vinyl frames, making it versatile for different window types. Number 3. Window Locks 10-pack. Introducing our easy-to-install window locks, perfect for enhancing home security. They're designed to fit various window types and require no drilling for installation. These locks work on vertical and horizontal sliding windows, patio doors, and even sliding glass doors. They're ideal for securing air conditioners or fans in windows. Made from heavy-duty aluminum with a protective vinyl lining, it prevents scratches on your window frames. The vinyl also provides a secure grip. Installation is a breeze. Simply use the thumb screws to secure them to your window tracks. They fit tracks up to 3/16 wide with the rubber insert, or 3/8 without. Keep your children and home safe from intruders. They allow you to securely lock windows and doors, even when slightly ajar for ventilation. Whether you need to secure an AC unit, replace a camper lock, or add to your childproofing efforts, these locks are a versatile solution. What we like. Made from heavy-duty aluminum with a vinyl lining to protect your window frames, it's built to last. It works on various window types, and installation is tool-free. If you need a durable and versatile solution for securing various windows and doors without any hassle, this is the perfect option. What people say. Metal parts with seemingly thick, durable rubber for grip. Effective and cost-efficient way to keep your sliding metal windows from being opened from the outside. Easy to install. Great product. They lock in really well so you don't have to worry about them falling out. They are small but sturdy, and very easy to install. They are also simple to take off if you want to continue using the window. Number 2. Primeline U9809 Window Locks. Introducing the Primeline U9809 Sliding Window Locks, designed to enhance the security of your vinyl windows. These easy-to-install locks provide an extra layer of protection for your home and family. Installation is a breeze, no tools are required. The adjustable jaw ensures a secure fit on most vinyl window frames, regardless of thickness. It works on both horizontal and most vertical sliding windows, providing added security and peace of mind. They're perfect for keeping windows securely closed while still allowing ventilation. These locks are built to last with a durable die-cast construction and a white painted finish. The vice-like grip ensures a secure hold without damaging your window frames. Prevent unwanted intruders and accidental falls with these reliable window locks. Enjoy the fresh air while keeping your home safe and secure. With their adjustable jaw, secure grip, and easy installation, these locks are the perfect solution for enhancing the security of your vinyl windows. Get yours today. What we like. Its adjustable jaw provides a secure grip on various vinyl window frames. Installation is tool-free and simple. If you have vinyl windows and want a secure, adjustable lock that's easy to install, this is ideal for you. What people say. They're super easy to twist on and off, making it simple to open and close the windows. The Defender U9809 got my attention because it does not require drilling, screws, or anchors to install. If you install with care, they will not damage the finish of your windows or frames. Number 1. Primeline U9802 Window Locks. Introducing the Primeline U9802 Sliding Window Locks, perfect for adding an extra layer of security to your home. They're easy to install and work with various window types. These locks are compatible with both horizontal and vertical sliding windows, making them a versatile choice for many homes. They're designed for older-style metal-framed windows. Ensure your windows are compatible. It's designed for sliding windows with frames up to 3/16-inch thick. Check the dimensions before purchasing to ensure a proper fit. It's made of heavy-duty extruded aluminum with a steel thumbscrew for lasting durability and reliable performance. You'll appreciate its robust build quality. No tools are needed for installation, simply follow the instructions. Adding extra security to your windows has never been easier. Ideal as secondary locks, they're perfect for securing windows in the closed position or when slightly ajar for ventilation. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your windows are better protected. These locks come in a clean, white finish that blends seamlessly with most window frames. They're aesthetically pleasing and functional. Before buying, please compare them to your windows using the provided line art to ensure compatibility. This will guarantee a perfect fit for your needs. What we like. It's made of heavy-duty aluminum and steel, ensuring a sturdy and long-lasting solution. Installation is tool-free and straightforward. If you're looking for a durable and secure lock for older metal-framed windows, this is the perfect choice. What people say. I was pleased that it attached perfectly, it was so easy. So easy to use, it's a no-brainer and it secures windows really well. Love the plastic pad strip and easy to install. Quality item. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.